So for some reason, it just shows forbidden when you turn on the referral badge. So for now, for your convenience. Hello guys, welcome back to AFS More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate Mailchimp into your Wix website. Now, this here is Mailchimp, and it's very useful when it comes to running a business or getting all the needed information, as well as getting an email newsletter for your website. So if you need to have some sort of email newsletter for your website, then Mailchimp is what's needed for you. So for more information on what it is, I'm going to search up here. So it's basically a marketing automation and email marketing platform, basically for the marketing of your business or your company or your website. So how do we actually put Mailchimp into our website over here? So it's pretty simple. First of all, you need to get a Mailchimp account, and if you check down the link in the description, there will be two links, one for Mailchimp and then one is for Wix. Now, I just need to remind you first that Mailchimp is not a free service, but you will be given at least 14 days of free trial so that you can try out what Mailchimp has to offer. Now, remember that you won't need to pay anything as you are going through the 14-day free trial. Now, remember that while you're using the 14-day free trial, you won't have to pay for anything, but it will still need your card details nevertheless. But it will still warn you before the service ends so that you can cancel it. Now, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. What you're going to need to do first is to head over to audience over here on the left. Just click on it, and then we just head over here to sign up forms, which, as you can read, it adds a pop-up or embedded form to your website to collect subscribers. Now, that's what we're going to be needing today. So what we're going to do is to create a new form here in the top right, although there are still some templates that you can use here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the create embedded form, since that's what we're gonna be using for this time. So it will show us a sort of template that we can design. So here we have our embedded form, so we can put some name on it. Let's say newsletter subscription, and of course the audience is for our business, so that's Dane Enterprises right there. That's not a real business, but I'm just gonna be using that name for this video. So here we are. This is how it currently looks like, but we can finish this. We can add some things that we want to it. So for example, here on form fields, you can check if you want to add first name or the last name, as well as the address, phone number, birthday, or company of the person that's going to be filling the form. But for me, I'm not going to be checking the others, so I'm just going to set this. You can also remove CSS styles if you want, but if you don't understand what this is about, like me, then it's better if you just don't touch it. Okay, let's move on. Let's go to tags over here. You can add tags so that, yeah, if you can also add tags that when you get responses to this form, it will automatically be applied to the form context. Moving on, we also have the referral badge. So it will let you earn money somehow like Amazon. When you refer people to Mailchimp, then you'll get some extra you get some money, you know. You just say that, you just get some money. So let's say you're done with this. Yeah, you can turn on the referral badge if you want. So once you're done with it, you can just head over to and click continue over here, and then as you can see, we now have a code for our embedded form. Just now copy that. Let's head back to our website, and let's find a spot where we want to add our Mailchimp embed. So what we're gonna do is go to add elements over here, and let's scroll down to find embed code over here, and then just click on embed HTML, and then as you can see, it will now be here. Now we can start adjusting this to the size that we want it to be. So right now it still looks very empty because there's literally nothing inside of there. And it says the site cannot be reached because there's literally nothing inside of there. So we're just gonna click enter code and then just paste our code over here, and then just set this to code, and then just click update. And as you can see, it will start changing the embed code. And as you can see right now, it says it's forbidden. Well, so for some reason it just shows forbidden when you turn on the referral badge. So for now, for your convenience, it would be much better if you turn up the referral badge for Mailchimp so that the embed works properly. So let's see if this works properly. Let's go to preview over here and see what the final for a website looks like. And as you can see, yeah, there's the pop-up, and you can now start filling this form here, and you can see it indicates that this is a required field over here. That's it. That is how you can integrate Mailchimp into your Wix website. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.